Hello everybody and welcome back to Aerospace Matt. So, about a year ago I crashed my E-Flite F-15 into a tree. That, my friends, is an F-15 Eagle. E-Flite F-15 Eagle, bind and fly. AS3X, safe select, $200. That high off the ground. Oh man, that's really bad. That is really bad. I don't know if I can get this down. Oh man. So after that, I put it back together and tried a few times, and it just didn't really work. So now I've done some upgrades to it, so hopefully it'll work this time. I actually have no idea if it'll work, because the last time it crashed, it actually ripped one of the elevators off. And when I mean the elevator, I mean it ripped away from the horizontal stabilizer. So I glued it back together. It should work, but I don't completely trust it to not fall apart midair. Also, I did repaint it. It now is gray, and my dad actually got me some stickers that I have on it. So it looks okay now. It still definitely looks like it's been crashed and all that, but it does look nicer than what it did after it crashed the last time. So without further ado, let's go to the field and see if I can fly it. Well, we're at the field with the E-Flite F-15 that's been repainted and refinished, so it looks nice now. Hopefully this will work. I do have a couple batteries, so if it works the first time, I'm gonna have another flight for you guys, but I really don't know if this is gonna work, so stay tuned. All right, here we go. Well, that first flight went really well. Actually, I had about 50% battery left after I landed. I'm gonna do a different flight with my other battery just because I don't want to accidentally run out of battery on this plane. So we want a fully charged battery for this flight. Anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna have a second flight here on a not smart battery, and hopefully it works just as good as the first one. All right, here we go. Well, there you guys have it. The first two flights I've had with this plane in a long time. I'm really happy it flew well. On that second landing there, the tape that was on the bottom of the intakes actually came off. And if you guys actually heard in the second flight, on the first landing, the tape had actually been off, and so you actually heard it kind of flapping around. But it didn't really cause too much performance difference with this airplane. Also on that second landing, I kind of had the nose cone kind of fall off. This is actually hot glue. If you've ever damaged the plastic tip that comes with these E-Flite jet nose cones,